an SUV that's tough enough for adventure, smart enough for the city, and efficient enough to save you money every single day. That's exactly what the 2026 Toyota RAV4 is aiming to be. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 continues to build on one of the most trusted SUV names in the world. But this time, it feels more refined, more tech-focused, and more confident than ever. At first glance, the design looks sharper and more muscular, with a bold front grille, slimmer LED headlights, and a stronger stance that makes it feel wider and more planted on the road. The sculpted body lines aren't just for looks. They also help improve aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. Around the back, the redesigned LED taillights and clean bumper styling give the RAV4 a modern, premium appearance that fits perfectly in both urban and outdoor settings. Step inside. The cabin feels noticeably upgraded. Toyota has focused on better materials, improved build quality, and a more driver-centric layout. The dashboard is clean and modern, with a larger touchscreen that's faster and easier to use. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, making it effortless to connect your phone. The digital instrument cluster provides clear driving information, while physical buttons for climate control ensure ease of use without distraction. Seating comfort has improved, with better cushioning and support, making long drives far more relaxing for both the driver and passengers. Space has always been one of the RAV4's strengths, and the 2026 model continues that tradition. Rear passengers get generous legroom and headroom, while the wide opening doors make getting in and out easy. The cargo area is practical and versatile, offering plenty of room for groceries, luggage, or outdoor gear. Fold the rear seats down, and the RAV4 transforms into a capable hauler for larger items, perfect for road trips or weekend adventures. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 offers multiple powertrain options to suit different driving needs. The standard gasoline engine delivers smooth and reliable performance, ideal for daily commuting and highway driving. For those focused on efficiency, the hybrid variant stands out, offering excellent fuel economy without sacrificing power. The plug-in hybrid option pushes things further, allowing short electric-only drives while still offering the flexibility of a gasoline engine for longer journeys. Acceleration feels confident, steering is responsive, and the suspension strikes a great balance between comfort and control. On the road, the RAV4 feels stable and easy to drive, even for those new to SUVs. All-wheel drive options provide extra confidence in rain, snow, or light off-road conditions. Road noise is well controlled, and the ride quality remains smooth over rough surfaces, making it equally suitable for city streets and highway cruising. Safety remains a major selling point for Toyota, and the 2026 RAV4 is packed with advanced driver assistance features. Toyota Safety Sense comes standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and traffic sign recognition. These features work quietly in the background, adding an extra layer of protection without feeling intrusive. What truly makes this 2026 Toyota RAV4 special is how well it balances everything. It's not trying to be the fastest or the flashiest SUV, but it excels at being reliable, efficient, comfortable, and versatile. Whether you're a daily commuter, a small family, or someone who loves weekend getaways, the RAV4 adapts to your lifestyle with ease. In the end, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 proves why it continues to be one of the best-selling SUVs in the world. It's practical without being boring, advanced without being complicated, and dependable without sacrificing modern style. If you're looking for an SUV that simply does everything right, the 2026 RAV4 makes a very strong case for itself.